Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. Friends, in this video we are solving a problem on multiple integrals. Okay, the given problem is find by double integration the area lying inside the cardioid r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta and outside of the circle r is equal to a. See friends, once again I am repeating what we are finding here. By using the double integration we are finding the area. Area is lying between the cardioid, inside of the cardioid and outside of the circle r is equal to a. Inside of the cardioid and outside of the circle r is equal to a. Friends, you see, actually area formula we are going to write first. What is the area formula we have means? The area we are denoting with capital A. Area we are denoting with the capital A, that is equal to here r is in r and theta is there here, so you can say the limit r is from r1 to r2, r is from r1 to r2 and another limit theta is from theta 1 to theta 2, okay, into r dr d theta. Friends, the integrand, this is called, we are integrating what here, the function r, we are integrating r. So this integrand is as it is only what will happen here, we will change the limits only. For any to find the area in polar coordinates we use this formula only. Remember this formula, okay. Consider this as equation number 1, friends. Okay, now we need to find out the limits. Means first what you have to know, we have to know the region we required, okay. Now you see the region is what they are given here, the region is, okay. Now you see friends, here they are given r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Friends, you have to remember cardioid is in which form, okay. You see, actually one cardioid I am drawing roughly, friends, not exactly, I cannot draw perfectly, anyhow. See, this is a cardioid and you have another cardioid. Cardioid is nothing but like it is a heart only, okay. Now you see friends, this is called r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, friends. R is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, and it is r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, because later you may get the problem, similar problem you may get like this. That is why I am explaining what is r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Here we have r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, and they are given a circle. Circle is nothing but like this only, na? Circle with radius is what they are given, a. Radius is a, okay friends, right. Now region we require to find. Now I am going to find the region, friends. You see here, region means how we can find it. First draw the x axis and y axis. I am drawing here. Treat this is the y axis and it is x axis, not exactly, just a figure roughly I am drawing. R is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, friends. You see r is equal to, first I will draw r is equal to a, better for me, r is equal to a, friends. Right, this is a circle, okay. Now r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta I am drawing. You see friends, here just I am trying to draw perfectly, not exactly I can't get, okay. One moment please, I will try, just I am trying. Yes, you have to remember, friends. Right, okay. You see friends, here this is touches here y axis at a, okay. Remember here also it is touches, okay, that you remember, minus a, anyhow. Now what you require, where is the region? Our region is what actually, area lying inside of the cardioid, friends. See friends, this is a cardioid inside means total, this one only or not, this one total, you have to take this graph, and outside of the circle means outside of this, okay. So this is outside, friends. If you taken here, it is inside, circle inside it is entered, so outside is only you have, this is the region, this is our required region, okay. Now I will draw this shape. You see friends, this is our required region, okay. Now x axis and it is like y axis, treat this is a y axis, okay friends. This is our region. Now we have to find out the limits for this. How you can get the limits? You see friends, r1 and r2 they are given. This is a cardioid. For this what you have to do means, just draw a line like tangent line, like y is equal to x line, you draw it, okay. Now you see friends, here this is touches at, both are touches at what? 0. Okay, next generally you need to write like this, friends. If you written like this, next you see this line is touches, starting radius is what? Circle. What is the circle is here? A. So R is from A to another graph. Where is this touches? Chordiad. What is the chordiad is here? R is equal to A into 1 plus cos theta. So A into 1 plus cos theta. I hope that you understood what is the lower limit. To get the lower limit, first draw a line. You see, this is a circle you have. Let it be, it is a circle. First, the line is touches first where? Here. Later, chordoid. So first is circle, later is chordoid. Clear? Next one. Next one, what you have to find? Angle. Friends, you see, this is occupied in how many quadrants? It is a first quadrant and it is the fourth quadrant. This is the second, this is second, this is third one, and it is the fourth one. So fourth and first one. So here you can say it is a 0 to pi by 2. Here in case 0 to pi by 2 limits, friends. What about here? Minus pi by 2 to pi, minus pi by 2 to 0. Can I say like this? Yes. So total is R is theta is from where to where? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That's it. Is it clear for everyone? Right. Now we have to substitute limits in this area formula. Okay, friends. See, if you have done this limits also, you may take one more mark. Anyhow. Now I am substituting value A is equal to R. First theta I will substitute because theta is a constant only. So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and another limit is R. R is the lower limit is what here? Circle first. So R is equal to A into lower limit is A, upper limit is 1 plus cos theta. This is a chordiad. I hope it is a clear, friends, for you. Okay. Next, what you have integrand is R. So R into dr into d theta. Right. Up to this is a clear, friends. Now you have to integrate first with respect to R or theta. That is also we have a doubt. How you can identify? You see, friends, first see the limits. This is a theta limits or not? Yeah. Theta limits are what here? Constant. And R is here dependent on theta. You see, friends, R is a function of theta. R is a function of theta. Theta function never be a theta. Remember, theta value never be a theta only. So R is a function of theta. So first you have to integrate with respect to R. Then you will get the upper limit, lower limit, and entire integrand will become R to f of theta. Later you integrate with respect to theta and substitute this pi by 2 and pi by 2. You will pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. You will get a directly constant only. You will get the area value. Is it clear, friends? How to evaluate is clear for you? Right. Now I am simplifying this one. You see. Now this is equivalent to. Now you see, friends, here integral I can write here anyhow. I'll write one more step for you. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now first I am integrating with respect to R. So this is what I can say. R square. R integration is R square by 2. What are the limits? A to A into 1 plus cos theta into what you have? dr into d theta. Is it clear for you? Right. Next we have to integrate this one, friends. We have to integrate. Okay. Now if you are integrated, what will happen? You see, upper limit and already integrated, upper limit and lower limit we need to substitute here. So you will get a 2 outside, 1 by 2. Shall I write outside? Next, integral from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now upper limit means a square into 1 plus cos theta whole square. Is it or not? Bracket square. AB whole square is nothing but a square into b square. Minus lower limit is what you have? A square into d theta. We are integrated with respect to R here. So what I did here? It is wrong. Is it clear for everyone? See, when you are integrated with respect to R, how you can write again dr? So this mistake who are found, then those students are understanding clearly, right? There is no dr, right? Next one. This is 1 by 2 I have. Friends, you see here you have a square term, here you have a square term, so I can take a square outside. Yes or no? If a square is a common, then a square by 2 we will have a square by 2. and the limits are from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. You split this one, friends. 1 plus a plus b whole square formula. 1 plus cos square theta plus 2ab is nothing but 2 into cos theta. Here you took a square is a common, so you will have minus 1 into d theta into d theta. Okay, into d theta. Friends, you see here, this is plus 1 you have, minus 1 we have. Both are getting cancelled. Next you observe, friends, this cos theta is which function? Even function or odd function? Even function. So cos square is also even function. Why it is even function means, when you can see even function means, if f of minus theta if you are substituted, then if you are getting f of theta, then you can say the function is even. If you are getting minus f of theta, it is odd. Friends, if cos of minus theta will become a cos theta, so it is a even function. This is also even square is also again what? Even only. So if even function is there, minus a to a f of x dx formula, friends, you have in the definite integral we have formula minus a to a f of x dx. If f of x is an even function, you can write 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x dx whenever it is even. If it is odd means directly you will get 0. Directly you will get 0 only. Okay. Now coming to this, friends, you see, can I write here 2? This is a minus a to a form, so can I write 2 outside? Right. 2 times of a square by 2. Limits are from 0 to pi by 2 for the convenient only, friends. Okay. Now integral from, integral is cos square theta plus 2 into cos theta into d theta. That's it. Now you have to integrate this one. Friends, you can do this one in a different methods, friends. Different method means, first one we can use a calculator. From the calculator you can get, and another one you can apply the, you can use the formula. Which formula means, you see friends here, cos square theta is equal to, you have a 1 minus sin square theta formula, and one more formula you have 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Friends, you remember, cos square is there, degree is 2 is there, that is why we are unable to integrate. We can integrate only cos theta sin theta. Okay, we cannot integrate cos square sin square. Whenever cos square is there, you should not write a sin square, because sin square also you cannot integrate. So don't take this formula, you have to take this formula. Okay, you substitute here, then you can get one method. Okay, I will explain in that method. Here the denominator and numerator getting cancelled, then I will have a square integral from 0 to pi by 2 cos square. How can I write this? Is 1 plus cos 2 theta whole by 2 plus 2 into cos theta into d theta. Friends, this is the first method. You see, I will explain in a different method. Different methods I will explain, you see. Right. Next. Okay. Now I am doing this one. I am doing. It's easy only. Don't feel this is lengthy. Right. Now split this one. Separately you have to integrate, friend. First 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, friends. 1 by 2 integration with respect to what? Theta is. Constant integration is constant integration with respect to x is x only. So constant integration with respect to theta is theta. Plus cos integration is what? What is the cos x integration we have? Cos x is nothing but sin x. Cos nx is nothing but, you have like cos nx. Suppose cos nx dx, friends. Cos nx dx formula I am explaining. Cos nx dx is sin nx by n. Okay na? Now this is sin 2 theta by 2. Already you have a 2 na? Denominator 2. So 2 times of 2 is what? 4. Is it clear for everyone? Right. Plus 2 into cos theta integration is what you have? Sin theta by 1. So this is sin theta. I will repeat here, you see friends, cos 2 theta integration. Cos 2 theta integration is sin 2 theta by 2. Already you have 2, friends. A plus b by 2 is nothing but a by 2 and b by 2 na. A by 2 plus b by 2 na. That's it. Okay. Now limits are 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Friends, tell me, what is sin 90? Sin 90 0 or 1? 1. What about the sin 0? 0. What about the sin 2 pi? Sin n pi is 0, remember. So sin 2 pi is also 0. Okay, now we are substituting. That is why I am going to explain here. Right, anyway. First you substitute pi by 2. So pi by 2 into 1 by 2 will become what? Pi by 4. Plus, friends, here you have a 1 by 4, friends. I am writing outside. Now put theta is equal to pi by 2. Upper limit if you are substituted. 2 times of pi by 2 is nothing but what? 2 times of pi by 2 is 2 to getting answer. So you have a pi. Sin pi is 0. Next lower limit sin 0. What is the sin 0 you have? 0 plus 2 into sin 0 is what you have? 0. First what you have? Upper limit. Upper limit means sin pi by 2 is 1 minus lower limit is 0. That's it. You substituted everything here. So this is a square. Inside what I have? Pi by 4 plus 2. Okay. You can take a 4 is a common. If you want to take, you can take a 4 is common. This is a square by 4 times of pi plus 4. If it is a common, this will become what? 8. Friends, the area of this region is, we are getting a square by 4 into pi plus 8. Okay. Now I am solving this problem by using the calculator also. I told you already. So now I am using the calculator. You see friends here, calculator I am using. Now what you have the integration here? Integral of cos square x is there. Okay. Now you see integration symbol. Right. I am doing here. You see integral of, okay, cos square friends. First cos square. Now first you write down x friends. Here you have a red color. So alpha x. This close bracket. Now do the square. Okay. Cos square is nothing but you need to write like this friends. Cos square. Clear? Next. Limits are, what are the limits you have? 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Lower limit is 0. Lower limit is 0. Next go for upper limit. Upper limit is pi by 2. Pi by 2 means fraction. So this is go for like this. Pi, where is pi? Here you have a pi. So it, which is in a yellow color like. So here shift 10 power x. So you will have pi divided by, next 2. 2 is here. Now you press is equal button. What you are getting? You see is equal button. What you are getting? Where it is? Taking slowly. 1.57 friends here you have. So are we done a mistake? No. Why it is not? See, it is in degrees. It is in degrees. So change into radians. How you can change, you know? Shift mode. Shift mode. Here you have a Matthew, linear, degree, radians. We require radians. So press 4. Now again is equals. You see what you are getting? Press is equal button. Loading, loading, loading. Yes, you have pi by 4. Okay. Now you see I am substituting that pi by 4. Then what you are getting? You see now. Okay. Pi by 4 you have now. Now I am substituting here. This is what? Pi by 4. One moment friends. Now this is, you have outside you have a square and integral of 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta d theta plus 2 times of integral 0 to pi by 2 cos theta d theta we have now. Okay, d theta we have now. This is a square friends. A square for all. Okay, a square for all. Sorry, one moment please. One moment please. Now this is what you have cos square pi by 2 in the previously we are seen in the calculator or not. So we have a pi by 4. Pi by 4 is pi by 4 plus 2 times of. What is the cos integration? Cos integration is sin theta. Cos integration is sin theta. Limits from 0 to pi by 2. Now a square into pi by 4 plus 2 times of sin 90 is 1 minus 0. So a square into pi by 4 plus 2. You see both are same or not? So this is the second method. Second method how you done? By using the calculator. By using calculator you are done. Clear? Right. Without calculator means you have a formula. Which formula you have? I will tell you that formula also. Now method 3. Method 3. Friends, you see we have a formula integral from 0 to pi by 2 cos square n theta is equal to n minus 1 by n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2. If n is even, friends, this is cos, this is a cos to the power of, you can say, one moment please, cos square I have written, that is why I am changing here formula. Cos to the power of nx dx is equal to, we have a formula, that is n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 and so on into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. If n even, friends, n even case this is. If it is odd, as it is, friends, this is as it is, n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2, but in the last case you will have a 2 by 3, that's it. So here what you have, cos square is there, so n is what here, n is even. So in the even case what you are getting means, first 2 you substitute here, 2 minus 2 is 1 by 2. So if whenever 1 by 2 is came, you write in pi by 2, that's it, 1 by 2 pi by 2. So you have a pi by 4, and previously we have proved this one also. So this is the method 3. Is it clear for everyone? Right. Thank you for watching this video.